Hey there. So, this video is going to be titled, Where Have I Been? Because it's been a very long time since I posted, which was not in any way, shape, or form my intention. I had planned to post at least once a week, once every 2 weeks, something like that, and keep you guys updated with what was going on in school, life, cooking, recipes, all that good stuff. But a lot of things happened in the last, it's been almost a year, I think, since I've posted a video. So a lot of things have happened, and life has just been very hectic. My dad, who had always had some health problems, got progressively worse and ended up going into hospice and passing away. So that was a lot of my time. I took that semester off school. That was last summer. It was July. So I took the summer semester off school, which was really great because I would have failed that semester for no other reason than just because if I could have concentrated at all, because of the fact that I would have missed so many days because we were between the hospital and hospice for a lot of time, a very long time. And then after that, things were just hectic, and so then I started a new job. It's the same place I've been working at the Christian school that I work at, but I got moved into the kitchen as a food production manager, and that was kind of new because I'd been teaching there for a very long time, for about 5 years, I think. 4 years I've been teaching there, and then this will be my 5th year going into my 5th year with this new position. So I jumped. Once everything happened in July, I jumped straight into that in August. I went straight back to school for the fall semester. I went straight through, did fall, spring. Now I'm in the summer semester, and everything's just it's been very, very hectic. And it's just been a new normal, and trying to get everything back to semi-normal. And so I've been wanting to make this video, and I've been wanting to, update you guys, but spring semester, or fall semester, fall, spring, yeah, it was very, very hard trying to get back to where we were, and I have never, I think, done so not good in a semester. I mean, I still managed to get A's, thankfully, thank God, but it was just a lot going on, and I don't know that I completely realized what it was. It was just a lot going on. So I don't want to bug you or bother you too much with all that kind of stuff, but if it hadn't been for Bethany, which hopefully is going to make some appearances in some of my videos here soon, if it hadn't been for her, I probably would not have made it through my last 2 semesters very well. So this is summer semester, and I've been really good. I've working ahead. I've got most of my assignments done. These classes are really short, so it's like 16 weeks worth of work packed into a 7-week class. So they're very intense. So a lot of things have been going on with that. But I've been working ahead and been doing very, very good with that. And even over the past year, I've made multiple videos. I have like a catalog, I guess I could say, of videos that I've made that just haven't, I just haven't edited them or put them together or, cut them at all, to be able to post them. So I want to, and I'm really, really hoping that, that I'm back and that we're gonna be able to have a lot of fun. Me and Bethany have been talking about some really good projects that we would like to share with you guys in our culinary adventure and our culinary life, and just kind of give you guys life updates and talk about, you know, different recipes and different food. And we just kind of, her and I together, want to go over just some of the stuff that you might not expect in culinary school, or stuff that you wouldn't necessarily know, which is kind of was my goal for this whole channel, because, and I really wished I had started it like my first semester and been able to like walk you through like week by week of like, this is what's up, this is what we're doing. But I didn't start it until I was close to halfway done, and then, you know, everything going on, I took a semester off, and there was just a lot of things happening. But we've had some really, really great things happening. We've had some interesting things. I think everything has worked the way it's supposed to, and has worked out for the better overall. But yeah, so I just want to kind of give you guys an update. I want to let you know I'm back. Not gonna say I'm back and better than ever. I would like to say that, but I don't know. So I got a lot going on, but I'm very excited to be back, and I just wanted to give you an update and tell you I'm here, and tell you that I have pre-recorded lots of videos. I have some really cool, exciting stuff coming up for the kids over the summer, or the adults over the summer, because hey, we're all kids at heart, right? That I just think, you know, they might enjoy. Some of the stuff I'm doing at summer camp with my kids, and all that good stuff. So I just wanted to share that with you, give you a life update. Thank you for not giving up on me, and let you know to keep, you know, your eye out, because we're going to have some really good stuff coming up. Thanks again, and have a fabulous day, week, year, whatever's going on. And you can always message me, inbox me, comment, all those good things, and I'm totally down with that. I hope you guys have a great day.